Welcome back to part 3 of 3, the final part in this series, FL Studio Toolbar Explained. I'm your host, Jayut. Let's jump right in. Coming over, we have some panel. In the panel here, the first panel is show our frequency levels. Different frequency levels in this panel. In the next panel over is a peak meter. In the next panel coming over, show your CPU load. Right, coming over, undo button, and we have a open new audio editor button. The audio editor is Edison. Here, Edison. You can use Edison to record whatever you want independently from the playlist. You can also record directly in the playlist. You see this feature before, this is the playlist. This bring up the playlist. Playlist, as I said before, is where you arrange your clips, your loops, your patterns into a song. Next button, we have a piano roll. In the piano roll, when you hit that, you bring up the piano roll. In the piano roll, you basically, here you create patterns and your loops. Alright, next option, we have a channel rack. Channel rack is where you plug in your instruments that you need in your project, and here in the channel rack allow you to route them to different mixer tracks. So the kick here is going to mixer track 1, the clap going to 2, 3, so forth. Over here, these blocks, as I said before, left click them to select them, right click them to unselect them, and this is the step sequencer. Coming over, we have a file browser. You hit that and the side panel pop up where you have your option to select your plugins, your different plugins, your rendered file, recorded file, speech files, templates, all the different scores, sound fonts, impulses, kick drum, miscellaneous, all kind of options. Coming over, we have plugin picker. These options allow you to pick the FL Studio, pick from the plugins that you have installed on your system. We have a tempo tapper. This tempo tapper over here allow you to tap in your tempo. You can use a MIDI controller to do this, or you can tap it with your mouse. Tap it in tempo. You can nudge it. This option allows for touch controllers. Launch content library. This option, I would say, is more an advanced option, but this option send you back to the online website where you can download like packs for FPC, packs for different FL Studio instruments, presets and stuff like that. Alright, this panel over here give you basically an online feedback of what's going on with FL Studio. It will tell you when you have release updates and stuff, different news information from FL Studio. In this panel, we have gone through the menu and toolbar option in FL Studio. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. If you find these videos helpful, please subscribe, like. This is Free Music Matters. I'm your host, Jayot, and stay in tune.